All right, here we go. Post-workout, we're at the stoplight. Today we're going to talk about patience. Hey, don't forget your post-workout sugars. If you don't know anything about it, Google it, look it up. It's vitally important. Today we're going to talk about something I don't want to talk about. It's called patience. I do not have the greatest virtue of patience, and for multiple reasons. You know, you inherit some of those things. Your environment teaches you those things. But let's talk about patience in the gym. If you don't take time off, and you don't rest to let your muscles recover, which is actually what you're doing. When you're working out, you're breaking them down, and then you go home, you eat nutritiously all day long, you let your body repair. If you are not doing that, you do not have the patience to rest, you will not grow. Now, let's talk about patience in life. And this is the same thing for me. Daily, constant struggle. I want things now. I want them done my way right now. But there's a verse in Hebrews 10:35, I believe it is, and it talks about two things. It talks about your confidence in God and your patience. And it says, don't throw them away, don't waver them, for if you hold on to them, that is the will of God, and He will fulfill His promises. That's the will of God, for you to be patient and just wait on Him. That's crazy. It's not crazy, it's the truth. And so in the gym, or at home, and in life, patience, not my greatest virtue, but something that we can all work on. You guys have a good night.